Alright, you guys, just landed top water. Striper. Oh, my camera. I forgot the stand. Oh, blitz behind me again. Oh, this is not a keeper. Oh, yeah. Top water is fun. Just trying to turn on my camera. Oh, they're still here, man. Gotta get this guy off real fast. Gee. Wow. They're here. Come on. Come on. Look at this. Oh. All right. Hopefully I learn to keep them. I forgot my GoPro mount, my Acaso holder, and it's fun, you guys. It's low tide incoming right now. I came early before the sunrise, get some snail for my wife. She loved the snail. That one probably about 25 maybe. Struggle trying to turn on the camera. Here. When you see the bird, you know they're here. Just caught a fluke, you guys, on my tiny hook. Not a keeper. Oh, not a keeper. But they're here. I have problem with my camera. Look at here. Find my line. It's about maybe 15. Yeah. They on my tiny hooks here, guys. Looking for skip. I caught a fluke. I lost on the big hook. The fluke. Last time was on the big hook and I lost it. This time on a small hook and I get it. Oh, fuck. 2 of them. Alright, you guys. Just tied to a lobster trap. Something is down there. And I just lost a big bite. I reeled like halfway and I lost it. I don't know. I think it's the top. I couldn't find it at my usual spot. It's low tide. It moved too deep water or what? This is like almost 40 feet. By every drop. Oh my God, it bite hard, you guys. Come on. Yeah, this gotta be a keeper. Oh my God. Yeah. Whoa. Sea bass, you guys. Sea bass. Woohoo, that's a keeper. Sea bass. I found a spot. Look at this, you guys. Oh yes. Oh, this, I don't even have to measure this. This is over 17. Over 17, there's some more down there, guys. Whoa. 18. 18, you guys. Nice day. Oh. Put in the bag. Oh yes. Oh yes. Oh yes. Oh man. I hope there's more down there. Yes. They bite again, you guys. Oh my God. Gee. Wow! Wow, this whole drag. Oh my God. This polar drag, you guys. It's total. Yeah. This one is over 16, I think. Wow, 16 on the line, you guys. I'm gonna let this one go. 16 on the line. But there's more down there. Oh, yes. Yes. Just. Oh, they bite right away, you guys. Wow. Wow. Oh, yes. Wow, pull drag, you guys. Oh, man. Oh, yeah, you are a keeper. Yes. Big toe talk, you guys. He's pulling my drag. Oh no. Pulling my drag. Yes. It's like 18. This is like 18, you guys. This is like 18. Oh. Alright, you guys. Had problem with my camera. Oh yeah, you a big boy. You a big boy. You a big boy. Alright, you guys. This is my spot, you guys. This is my spot. This place where I met Mr. Robert Field. Field trip with Robert Field. Oh. See how big you are, big boy. Ouch. $18 3/4, you guys. $18 3/4. Oh yes. $18 3/4. And I just play with one rod. Don't need to play with two rods. What a beautiful day. I usually don't do good on a beautiful day, you guys. I love overcast. But this is something. Bite right away, you guys. Oh man. Take a run. Again, you guys. Oh, this one. Oh, this one pulled drag too. My drag too loose. Wow. Ooh, yes. This is fun. What a beautiful day. Big one, big one. Maybe sea bass. They're trying to bite that live crab, you guys. Probably sea bass, man. Tap, tap, tap. So you gotta have your line along the current. If it drifts this way, your line cannot go the other way, and then the hook up rate is not really good. I miss it all the time when like that. But if the water go that way, your line go that way, it's fine. Something trying to bite that live crab. You didn't kill that live crab yet, you guys. Oh man. Got a bite on my metal lure. Damn, it's gotta be sea bass, you guys. Oh. Freaking sea robin. I got two already. Add another one. I knew I can catch the talk here. Last week I went to my other place over there. I couldn't find one to talk. Oh, I found once a keeper, and then another small one after that. It was a slow day. This one they pull hard, you guys. This one they pull hard, you guys. Whoa. Wow, what a fantastic day, you guys. Oh, ripping drag, you guys. Ripping drag. This gotta be over 18 too. Oh, I need a net for you, yes. Gee, you guys. It's not even like 20 minutes apart. Another quality fish. Woohoo! Look at this, you guys. Look at that. It's got to be 18. Oh, dropped the line. Oh no. It's not even go through his lips, you guys. Another. Oh, it's 119, you guys. 19. Oh, almost go back into the water. Okay. By every drop. It's going down, going down. Look at this. Wow. Whoa. Oh, rip drag, you guys. Oh, another one. He's a keeper too. Maybe not, but it's close. Oh, man. A little over 16. Should I keep it or not? I let you go. Hope I don't regret it. I let you go. Hope I don't regret it. They say 16 and a quarter. Whoa! What a fantastic day. I got plenty of crab, you guys. Woo! Yes. It's gotta be like 17. 16 and a quarter, let them go. Legal size 16. They are down there. Took the bait. Yeah, one bait's gone. Wow, this one bite right away. Come on, take a run. I feel like he doesn't know he's hooked yet, huh? Whoa. Yes, this one close to 16. Wow, plenty of action, you guys. I don't even measure this. It's around 16. Whoa, you give me a shower, man. Oh, man. Now it's dirty, my camera. Gee. Mr. Talk. Dirty my camera. Look at this, a takedown again. Wow. Another big monster. Woo, this one 19 too. This one is like 19 too, you guys. Look at this. I got my limit. I got my limit. Yeah. I do catch and release. This one's like 19 too. I should go home early. Yeah. I should go home early. I should go home early. This one about 16. Almost. Catch and release. Oh man. Hey. There are plenty over here at 40 feet deep, you guys. Slipped, my hand got slipped, you guys. This one feel like he doesn't know he hooked yet. Look at this. Another quality fish. This one over 16. I release you. Wow. I release you. I want sea bass. I want sea bass now. I gotta go find sea bass, man. Yeah. One more of this. Catch and release. Looking for sea bass. Use my metal lure jigging for sea bass. You went over there, right?
Yeah.
It's good over there?
That was small stuff. Like that.
Small sea bass.
That looks like a sea bass.
Yeah. I'm looking for sea bass. I got one.
One?
I need one more.
Yeah, I got 3 dogs. I got no more time, so I'm heading home.
Heading home, huh?
Yeah.
Nice. I'm leaving home soon too.
Yeah, it's like, I only have a couple hour window, so let's go do it, go home.
I got small fluke, no big one.
I didn't see any fluke. The only thing I saw was dog. I didn't even see any skunk.
Caught 3 sea robin.
They're good to eat.
Yeah.
I keep them.
Yeah. Especially the
good
big
luck.
one. Yeah, thank you. You too. All right, you guys. Want to talk? Limit the talk. One sea bass and half bucket of snail. It's a good day. And 3 sea robin. I give it to my friend. I'm too lazy to clean the sea robin. I ate them before, they're pretty good. I got stuck. Hold me to somewhere. Whoa. Yeah, almost. Can I get a keeper here, man? Squeak, damn. All right, you guys. I call it a day. It's a good day.